How to use the law of attraction to work for you. We're going to talk about the law of attraction. What is it? And the 7 things you need to know to use the law of attraction. Welcome to the Mental Wealth YouTube channel. My name is Lewis. Welcome to this channel. This channel is dedicated to making sure you are mentally strong. I want to talk to you all today about the law of attraction and what is it, and the 7 tips to use the law of attraction. So many celebrities will talk about this law of attraction thing. You may not know what it is. You may be like, hey, this thing doesn't work. What the hell is it? How can I use it? You may have seen maybe Conor McGregor, Bugsy Malone, one of my inspirations. I love Bugsy Malone. Maybe you saw Oprah Winfrey talk about it. Maybe you saw Jim Carrey talk about it. A lot of people believe that the law of attraction is just a bunch of baloney, that it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Nah. There's no way that believing what you want can just happen. It's not that simple, but it works. And it's worked for me plenty of times. So the law of attraction, it's not a ritual. The law of attraction is when you think positive things in your mind, when you think positive things overall, positive things start getting drawn to you. Positive people, positive situations, positive things. And then when you think negative things into your mind and you think that things won't work out and you become scarce about something, you end up drawing negative things into your life. You end up drawing negative emotions, negative feelings, negative thoughts. Doesn't matter. You end up driving negativity into your life when you think negative. And you ultimately limit yourself, whether it's personally or professionally. You limit yourself to your mindset. The first thing is, number 1, to get the law of attraction to work for you, is you need to have a purpose. You need to have desire for something. You need to have passion for something. And let me give you an example. Let's say you want to be the next big YouTube star. Let's say you want to be the next big singer, or the next actor or actress, or maybe you want to own your own company one day. You need to have a passion for that. You need to have desire for it in your life. And we all have desire, guys. We all have purpose. We all have hobbies that we're interested in. We all have interests. Don't sit there and tell me you don't have interests. We all have things that we like to do in our life. Number 2, how can you use the law of attraction to work for you? Number 2, guys, you need to visualize yourself being in that situation. So let me give you an example. So maybe you want to be the next big singer, big star. You want to be playing on the big stages, touring across the world, big albums. You want that. You need to visualize yourself being on that stage. Maybe it's at the O2 or Wembley. You need to visualize yourself being in that position way before it's even happened. You need to visualize yourself so clearly in your head that that is what you want. Now, granted that you may visualize it to a T, and it may not go exactly to a T, but it will happen. It will only happen if you take these next 5 things that I'm about to talk about. Number 3, to get the law of attraction to work for you, you need to have affirmations. You need to affirm yourself that every day you're speaking it into existence. You're speaking what you want into existence. You believe it's going to happen. You are saying it and you're putting it out there. You need to have affirmations to make this work. You need to speak to not yourself, but to other people. Your friends ask what you're going to do. I'm going to do this. I'm going to hit this goal at this time next year. You need to have affirmations every day, telling yourself that you are going to be there where you want to be, where you visualize yourself you're going to be there. Number 4, guys, how to use the law of attraction. Number 4, focus with confidence. Yeah, it's great that you visualize yourself being in that position. Yeah, it's great that you've put it out there for the world to see. It's great that you have the desire. But are you going to the club every weekend? Oh wait, you're going to the club every weekend? You're getting drinks in every weekend with your friends? I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that. I do that. I do it all the time. Not all the time, but I celebrate. You need to sacrifice. And you need to start focusing on more important things. Things that are going to take you somewhere. So if you want to be that next singer, you need to be dedicating most of your life to singing. 10,000 hours to be exact. That's what you need to do with that one. Number 5. How to use the law of attraction. Tip number 5. Belief in yourself. Or believe in yourself, I should say. You need to believe that you can achieve it and no one else can tell you different. Not your mum, your dad, your cat, your dog, whoever. As long as you believe in yourself, it will happen. Because you believe. It's all it takes. Just one person. And that person has to be you. Your mum and dad may believe in you, but if you don't believe in yourself, it's not going to happen because you're not going to believe in yourself. And you're not going to back it up with the work. Number 6, to make the law of attraction work for you. Number 6, guys, gratitude. You need to be grateful for things that have already happened in your life. You need to be grateful for the things that are happening right now in your life. The experiences you're having in your life. I'm grateful for everything that's happening in my life right now. I could be way worse. But I am grateful for the things that I've got in my life. The body that I've got in my life. There are people that would wish to have what I've got. And I am truly grateful for it all. I may not be where I want to be right now. Granted. But I am grateful for every little thing that happens. I'm grateful for everything that I have done in my life. I'm grateful for the people that I've met. I'm grateful for the things that are going to happen. You need to be grateful for things if you want this law of attraction to work for you. Grateful. And number 7, the last one, the big one. Manifestation. What is manifestation? How do you manifest things? Use the last 6 tips. That's how you manifest. Now, manifestation is an event or an action or an object that is theoretical. Or it is showing something that happened. It's the fact of showing something. You need to manifest it all. You need to put the work in. Put it out there. Put that work in. To make it happen. None of this happens and none of this will work without manifesting. Without putting it out there and working towards it every single day. So if you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure to subscribe to the Mental Wealth YouTube channel. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like as well. Stay positive, keep believing in yourself, and I will see you in the next one.